terrible idea. It's a full moon as well. You know what that means?
Well, no, nor do I. It's meant to be scarier, though. Oh, jeez. How are we supposed to get out of here?
Travis, this doesn't look like the place we were supposed to be. Oh, man, I told you we shouldn't come out at midnight. This was a terrible idea. It's a full moon as well. You know what that means? Well, no, nor do I. It's meant to be scarier, though. Oh, jeez. How are we supposed to get out of here? We need some help. We need to find someone and ask them for directions. Hello? Hello, is anyone out here? We need some help. We need some help getting home. We're a little bit lost. Oh, wait, there's someone over here. Travis, look, come over here. There's someone over here who can help us. Hello? Hello, sir. How are you doing? We just need some... Ow! Ow, he bit me. Travis, he bit me. Ow! Oh, jeez. No, I don't feel good. Oh.
Nagpapay ba siya siyang pauwi?
Hindi. Siguro gano'n na din binubuo niya.
Oh, I feel super weird. Travis, what is going on? Where are we? What is happening? And who's this guy? I remember you. You bit me or something. What is going on, Travis? This is super weird. What? Just tell me. I'm a what? How do you know? Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. What has happened to my face? Oh, that is spooky, gross, and weird. Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah, look. All my hotbar and stuff has changed as well. What is going to... Oh. A blood bar? Oh, that's creepy. How do I fill up the blood bar? Oh, I see. Is that what these guys are for? Oh, man, this could get very, very interesting. Right, I'm hungry, punk, so let's open this. There we go. Look, they changed the fangs as well. Right, here we go. Let's try this. Oh, my goodness, that was weird. That was super weird. I kind of gross at the same time. I bit him. I just bit him. I've got a full blood bar now, though, so what can I do with this? Oh, okay, let's have a look at this. Do you want to get bit? Do you want to get bit? Stop dancing around. Right, let's grab this chest. Oh, look at this stuff we've got. Some full blood bottles, some non-full blood bottles, sunscreen. Oh, this is weird. So, right, let's fill up some of these bottles. Here we go. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's drinking it straight into the bottle. That's perfect. There we go. I need some more blood, though, and it looks like you want to be the volunteer. No! There we go. Get out of here. Oh, my goodness. I can't believe I'm killing these guys. This is super awkward and weird at the same time. Right, you're up next. Oh, what happened to you? You didn't die. Look at your eyes. It's a vampire villager. Oh, geez, that's what Travis would look like as a vampire. Oh, that's a little bit creepy. That is a little bit creepy. Right, I think we've got enough blood now. Let's just get a little bit more. I've run out. Oh, geez, quick, come here, come here. So do they either, I think they either die or they just turn into a vampire like this guy. Oh, his nose is red too. Oh, I've done something terrible to him. Right then, Travis, what can I use his blood for? Okay, let's see what happens. Right, let's grab the blood altar of inspiration. Let's place this down and fill it with blood. Oh, gross, look at that. Full of blood. Nasty. Right, let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Vampire guys come to watch as well. Here we go. What is happening? Ow! Oh, jeez, it zapped me! Ow! Travis, are you okay, buddy? Are you okay? Oh, my goodness. I did not expect that to happen whatsoever. Oh, my goodness. Ow! I think that helped, though. Look, that purple 1 has gone to a purple 2. Does that mean I've leveled up? Awesome. What does that mean? Oh, nice. I do feel a little bit faster. My jump. Yeah, look, I can jump a little bit higher, too. Oh, it's kind of cool being you. And is this a coffin? I think this is a coffin, isn't it? Yeah, it definitely is. Oh, geez, that's so cool. Oh, man, look, I'm a proper vampire. Check me out. I'm biting people. I'm sleeping in coffins. Oh, it's gross. Right, let's try and make some more. There we go. Let's try this again. Let's try and level up a second time. Here we go. Watch out, Travis. Watch out. Watch out. Oh, what is happening to my... There's yellow all over my face. What is going on? Oh, I want to get this off me. No, this is gross. Travis, are you okay, buddy? Oh, I'm feeling nauseous as well. What should I do? I feel gross. The sunscreen. Oh, let's grab that. Yes, because vampires need sunscreen protection from the sun. Oh, that makes perfect sense. Right, let's grab this as well. Let's nom this right up. Beautiful. And there's also some armor as well. Let's see what this looks like. Put all of this on. There we go. Look at me. I'm a vampire. I'm a Minecrafty vampire. Absolutely perfect. Right, so there was one more thing in the chest. and that is a vampire hunter. So is this going to be a good idea to spawn? No, I didn't think so. Right, let's fill up some more blood bottles just for a second. Let's grab all these. Nice, and now I need to nom on someone. You! Give me that. Yeah, there we go. We got two of our little minions. Look at these guys. They're creepy. Right, let's spawn this guy in. Here we go. Vampire hunter. Boom. Oh, geez, he's scary. Oh, no. Oh, look, my guys are attacking him. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. Look at that. I'm like a little vampire master. Right, let's hit him. Let's hit him. Go on, hurt him. Hurt him. Kill him. Get him out of here. He's got a big axe. He's going to hurt me. And he's got oh, it's a hammer and a stake. He's going to put a stake through my heart. No, don't do it. I didn't mean to become a vampire. It wasn't my fault. Get out of here, sir. No, it wasn't my fault. Stay away. Oh, jeez. Vampire minions, help me. There we go. Beautiful. Right, here we go. We can take him down. Yes. And what is that? A human heart. Gross. Get this out of here. Oh, a human heart. What can we even use that for, Charles? That's gross. That's a good idea. You know what? Let's do that. Let's set up for the night. This should be perfect. Okay, it's night time, and I seem to have leveled up to level 4, so this means that I get new powers. Me and Trevor have been talking about this for a while, and you can kind of see one of them working at the moment. Look, I've got night vision. I can kind of see in the dark. It's amazing and perfect as well. Shush, I can hear you screaming. Stop it. Don't be screaming at me. So, check this out. I have different powers ready to go. So the one on the right here is regeneration, but it gives me thirst at the same time, which means it's kind of like when you get the hunger debuff. It means that my faster than normal. Luckily, I'm fairly full on blood, so we're actually pretty good. And oh geez, I'm stuck. Even as a vampire, oh geez. There's vampires here as well. What are you guys doing here? Grim, have you made some friends? Oh no, I don't wanna do that to Grim. No, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Can I bite you? I can't bite you. But anyway, let's move on to the next power, which is the ability at night to change into a bat. Check this. Oh geez, I can't get through these things. Let's go. Why can't I get through? There we go, much better. Even as a vampire, I can't get through those doors. But anyway, check this out. I go to the left, and I am now a bat. So you can only do this at night, and you need to be careful, because if you get shot, you've got 1.5 hearts of health, so you will die instantly. But I can now fly around to my heart's content as a bat. Now, the reason I wanted to fly around is I need to make it to another biome, because I am ready to show you another power. So, if we go on to our wheel of powers at the top here, when it's fully regen, you will be able to see that I can change the weather. Check this out. Boom! I can change it to raining at any time. Did it work? Hello? Hello, I would like it to rain. Rain, please. There we go. That's better, using my vampire powers to make it rain. I mean, why not? Bats like the rain, huh? Do they? I'm not really sure. But anyway, guys. Oh, this guy's enjoying it, though. How you doing, buddy? You good? Good. But anyway, guys, that is pretty much how to become a vampire. Me and Treoris have been talking about it, and we think that I became a vampire because of this guy right here. I got bit by... Oh, Jesus, coming. He's coming. No, no, stay away from me. Get away. Ow! No! Grim, help me! Ow! Stay away from me, spider. Stay away. Even the powers of the vampire can be hurt by a spider. Wow. But anyway, we got bit by a vampire, which turned us into a vampire after a certain period of time, and gave us all of these awesome powers, which is pretty cool. Right, let's run. Let's run. Let's run. Let's get away from him. Yes! Oh, no, it's raining on trails. You're okay there. You're a bit wet. Yeah, I thought so. But anyway, guys, if you want to try out this for yourself, then make sure you check out the description below, where you can download this mod and try it for yourself. It's super awesome, really fun, and you can become a vampire. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy them, please do leave a big fat thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. And also, if this happens to be the first video you've seen by me, then please do consider subscribing to join Minecraft videos. I'm going to figure out how to change my face back to normal, and I will see you all next time.
Yeah, we have an awesome base going on. Guys, we're just gonna go play some, what do you want to play?
What server did you play factions on?
I don't know, it's the #1 faction server, it's really good.
Wow. I cannot connect to Mindflex right now.
Dude, it wouldn't let me earlier.
It might be down or something.
No, it's not, I'm on it right now. Start up mine. I don't know. You want to go play a different server?
I guess we do Hunger Games on Lichcraft.
Alright. What is the Lichcraft thing?
Where's that? I'm trying to find it. It is play.lichcraft.net. It's play.lichcraft.net. I'm going to put it in the stream in case anyone wants to join us.
Alright, sounds good. Play.lichcraft.net.
Yeah, I just need to...
Shout out to Defuse Gaming for joining. What's up to him? Great kid. Probably. Play.lichcraft.net.
Yeah, I'm about to put it in there.
Okay, I'll just copy it.
No, that's cool. Lichcraft.net. Alright, so...
What's up, Ned?
Oh, never mind. I can't put it in there. Wow.
Why?